we're going to consider sine of x plus pi by 2 and cos of x minus pi by 2. Now, think about these in terms of the transformations we've been looking at. So we're going to consider translating the graph of y equals sine x, pi by 2 units to the left, and translating the graph of y equals cos x, pi by 2 units to the right. So let's look at this. So the blue graph is y equals sine x. Notice, for example, that the maximum here is when x is pi by 2. So what we're doing to get to the red curve is moving pi by 2 units to the left, as we set up here. So the red graph is y is sine of x plus pi by 2. X plus pi by 2 is the transformation that moves us pi by 2 to the left. It is the blue graph, phase shifted, remember that's what we call a horizontal translation when we're dealing with sine and cosine, pi by 2 units to the left. But we can see that the red graph is also y equals cos x. So it follows that sine of x plus pi by 2 is equal to cos x, and this is an important identity that you should remember. Now, the blue graph is y is cos x. The red graph is y is cos x minus pi by 2. X minus pi by 2 moves us pi by 2 to the right. And look at the maximum, here it's at 0, here it's at pi by 2. So it's the blue graph phase shifted pi by 2 units to the right, but we can see that the red graph is also y is sine x. So it follows that cos of x minus pi by 2 is sine x, and that's another identity that you should remember.